This is an example of a face-centered tetragonal. So देखो, face-centered tetragonal is not one of the 14 Bravais lattice, because for something to be called a Bravais lattice, it can't be identical to any existing Bravais lattice. तो अगर आप लोग image को बहुत carefully देखो, in the image you can see that this face-centered cubic lattice has a smaller lattice, which is a body-centered tetragonal lattice. So the lines you can see very clearly, अंदर में lines आपको दिख रहे होंगे. The face centers on the top, right? So what basically you are seeing on the screen is there are two face centers tetragonal lattice that are attached to each other. So the face centers and the corner atoms, अगर आप उन सबको join करो, then you will be getting a body-centered tetragonal lattice which is already existed. तो आपको याद रखना होगा यूनिट सेल क्या होता है, द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट. तो इस केस में अगर आप देखो फेस सेंटर्ड के केस में, तो बड़ा केस में तो ओके, दिस इज द बिगर यूनिट सेल, बट कैन आई से दैट उस बड़े यूनिट सेल के अंदर एक छोटा यूनिट सेल इज ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट, राइट, एंड दैट यूनिट सेल इज ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड एज अ बॉडी सेंटर्ड टेट्रागोनल लैटिस. So this was a type of mistake that Mr. Frankenheim did. He basically counted 15 lattices, out of which 2 of them were similar. So Mr. Bravais, he actually corrected this thing and he told that no, only 14 lattices are distinct because one of the lattices is already similar to some other existing lattice, right? So because of this reason, Mr. Bravais is the person who is credited with the discovery of the 14 lattices, and nowadays we know all of these lattices as Bravais lattice.